Billionaires in the making, are you tired of just dreaming about wealth? Are you ready to shatter the limitations holding you back and step into a reality where financial abundance is not a distant fantasy, but your everyday experience? Because in the next 12 minutes, I'm not just going to give you another list of generic side hustles. No, we're diving deep into 10 proven methods, strategies meticulously crafted to not just earn you money, but to build a financial empire. Forget the slow lane, we're talking about the express route to creating the wealth you deserve. Buckle up, because your journey to becoming a financial titan starts right now. Welcome back to Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy, the only place where ambition meets actionable strategy. I'm your guide, Martins, and today, we're unlocking the vault of wealth creation. These aren't just theories, these are the very principles that have propelled countless individuals to financial freedom. We're going to break them down, step by step, so you can implement them immediately. Let's get started. First, the untapped goldmine of high-demand freelancing. Think about it. Businesses and individuals are constantly seeking specialized skills. Are you a wordsmith? A design wizard? A coding guru? The digital landscape has exploded the demand for freelancers. But here's the insight: most don't just offer a service, become the go-to expert in a niche within that service. Instead of being a general writer, become the king or queen of SaaS content that converts. Instead of just designing logos, specialize in branding for sustainable tech startups. This laser focus allows you to command premium rates and attract clients who understand the true value of your expertise. Practically, this means identifying your core skills, researching booming niche markets, building a compelling portfolio showcasing your results, and leveraging platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn to connect with high-paying clients. Remember, billionaires in the making, specialization isn't limitation, it's elevation. Second, the power of digital real estate affiliate marketing mastery. Imagine earning income while you sleep. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing done right. But forget spamming links. We're talking about building genuine value for your audience. Identify products or services you truly believe in and that solve a specific problem for your target demographic. Create valuable content, blog posts, videos, reviews that seamlessly integrates your affiliate links. The key here is trust. Your audience needs to see you as a reliable source, not just a salesperson. For instance, if you're passionate about personal finance, you could review budgeting apps or investment platforms and ethically recommend them. Track your results meticulously, understand what resonates with your audience, and double down on those strategies. This isn't about quick clicks. It's about building a sustainable income stream through genuine connection and value provision. If you're finding this insightful so far, imagine the wealth of knowledge we're still about to unlock. Take a moment to like this video and let me know you're serious about building your financial future. The e-commerce evolution: building your own online empire. The world has shifted online, and e-commerce is no longer a trend, it's the norm. But to truly thrive, you need more than just a basic online store. Identify a unique product or cater to a specific niche with unmet needs. Focus relentlessly on creating a stellar customer experience, from a seamless website to exceptional customer service. Explore different models: dropshipping to minimize upfront investment, creating your own branded products for higher profit margins, or even curating a selection of high-quality goods. The crucial element is to build a brand that resonates with your target audience, a brand that offers value beyond just the product itself. Research your market meticulously, understand your competition, and invest in creating a professional and trustworthy online presence. This is about building a sustainable business, not just making a few sales. The art of content monetization: turning your passion into profit. Are you passionate about a particular subject? Do you have unique insights or skills to share? The digital world rewards valuable content creators. Whether it's through blogging, vlogging, podcasting, or creating online courses, you can monetize your expertise. But here's the secret sauce. Consistency and quality are paramount. Provide genuine value to your audience, build a loyal following, and then explore various monetization avenues: advertising, sponsorships, selling digital products, or offering premium content. Think about it: your unique perspective, your individual experiences, these are assets that can generate significant income when shared strategically. Don't just create content, build a community. Engage with your audience, understand their needs, and evolve your content to continuously provide value. This is the kind of information that can truly transform your financial trajectory. To ensure you don't miss out on more game-changing strategies, hit that subscribe button and become a valued member of the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Fifth, the strategic investment landscape, making your money work harder. Earning is just the first step. True wealth is built through strategic investing. But this isn't about gambling on volatile trends. It's about understanding different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even carefully vetted cryptocurrencies, and making informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Educate yourself relentlessly. Understand the power of compounding. Start small, but start consistently. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. For example, instead of just buying individual stocks, explore low-cost index funds or ETFs. In real estate, look for undervalued properties with potential for appreciation or rental income. The key is to adopt a long-term perspective and let your money work for you, generating passive income and building substantial wealth over time. Sixth, the power of knowledge transfer, creating and selling digital products. Think about the skills and knowledge you've accumulated throughout your life. There's likely someone out there willing to pay to learn what you already know. Creating and selling digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates, software allows you to leverage your expertise and reach a global audience. The beauty of digital products is their scalability. Once created, they can be sold countless times with minimal additional effort. Identify a problem you can solve or a skill you can teach, structure your knowledge into a valuable product, and market it effectively through your own website or platforms like Teachable or Udemy. This is about turning your intellectual property into a tangible income stream. Are you already picturing how you can implement these strategies? Share your biggest takeaway so far in the comments below. Let's build a community of action takers. Seventh, the brick-and-mortar advantage, smart local business ventures. While the digital world offers immense opportunities, don't overlook the potential of well-thought-out local businesses. Identify a genuine need in your community that isn't being adequately met. This could be a niche retail store, a specialized service, or a unique dining experience. The key here is thorough market research, a solid business plan, and a relentless focus on providing exceptional value to your local customer base. Embrace the power of community engagement and build strong relationships with your customers. While it may require more upfront capital and effort than some online ventures, a successful local business can provide a stable and significant income stream, and often becomes a valuable asset in itself. Eighth, the art of renting assets, leveraging what you own. Do you own assets that are underutilized? This could be a spare room, a car, equipment, or even intellectual property. The sharing economy has created numerous platforms that allow you to rent out these assets and generate passive income. Airbnb for your spare room, Turo for your car, or licensing your creative work are just a few examples. Evaluate your possessions and identify opportunities to turn them into income-generating assets. Ensure you understand the associated risks and legalities. But with careful management, this can be a relatively straightforward way to boost your income without significant additional effort. The strategies we've covered today are powerful, but their impact multiplies when shared. Share this video with someone you know who is also on their journey to becoming a billionaire in the making. Let's elevate together. The world of online tutoring and coaching, sharing your expertise directly. If you have a deep understanding of a particular subject or possess valuable skills, online tutoring and coaching can be a highly rewarding and profitable venture. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Schooly, and even your own website allow you to connect with students and individuals seeking your guidance. The demand for personalized learning is constantly growing. Identify your areas of expertise, create a compelling profile showcasing your qualifications and experience, and set your rates accordingly. This is not just about earning money, it's about making a real difference in someone else's life while building a lucrative income stream. Finally, 10th, the power of solving problems, creating innovative solutions. Ultimately, the most sustainable path to wealth lies in identifying problems and creating innovative solutions. This could be developing a new software application, creating a more efficient process for a particular industry, or even inventing a groundbreaking product. Look around you. What are the pain points people are experiencing? What are the inefficiencies that can be addressed? Innovation requires creativity, research, and often a willingness to take calculated risks. But the rewards for creating a truly valuable solution can be exponential. Don't be afraid to think big and challenge the status quo. The next billion-dollar idea could be brewing right now within you. Billionaires in the making, these 10 proven methods are not just theoretical concepts. They are actionable pathways to building the financial freedom you deserve. The key is to choose the strategies that align with your skills, passions, and resources, and then to take consistent, focused action. The journey won't always be easy, but the rewards of financial independence are immeasurable. To ensure you never miss another wealth-building strategy, turn on the notification bell icon right now. Your journey to becoming a financial titan continues with every single video we release here at Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Now go out there, take action, and build the life of your dreams. I'm Martins, and I believe in your potential. Until next time, stay focused, stay ambitious, and keep building. Outro music fades in and then out.